everyone, I'm TPTV and this is the first video that I'm recording in English. I'm right here with my friend Aaron.
Hey everyone, how's it going?
And we are in Luxembourg. And I hope that you guys enjoy this video.
Mean nothing more to me, 'cause let's start over now. Rewind, and I won't let you go. I need you by my side.
I don't know if you guys know, but Luxembourg, it's actually a country, and it is a city as well. It's really small. It's like 600,000 inhabitants, you know, and it's not really big, but it's kind of amazing. Right now we are in like a park. This is behind me, as you can see right here. That is the Duke's house.
Yeah.
If you don't know what it is, explain to us.
Yeah, for the people. Luxembourg is the only Grand Duchy in the world. So there's a duke, like the princess, the Queen of England. Yeah, there's a duke here.
All right, and it's in the middle of the city. Like it's really close from everything. You can just come over here and walk over there. This is the police car, and look, it's a Tesla. This one is a Tesla, and the other one is a BMW. I'm sorry if the sound is not really good because we are in like a closed place and it's music inside. But look, this is a hot chocolate. There's a milk over here, and I'm gonna put this inside, and that's it. Right now we are in, like, I actually don't know how to say that, but we were talking, and there's like the wall, and like tell us what is the name.
Here's the Bok Kazimats.
So it's like right here where we are. It's like where it started, the Luxembourg, and behind us it was the city. So right here they could see like everything, that if someone is coming, and to protect the city. A fun fact about Luxembourg, it's like if you're gonna take a train or a bus, you have to pay like €2 for one ticket, and you can use for 2 hours. But if you're going to use more than twice, you can buy the ticket for all of the day, like 24 hours, and it's gonna be €4 until March, because my friend that is living here, he told me that in March the bus and the train is gonna be for free, so it's pretty cool. I think I'm gonna end the video right here. I am TP, and this is the TP TV, and I see you in the next one.
someone